Hi there, I'm Lily, welcome back to my channel. This is another video in my Anyday Vest series with techniques that are suitable and helpful for my Anyday Vest pattern, but also just useful techniques in general. So in this video I'm going to show you how to work a centered double decrease, referred to as CDD in my patterns. It has different names in different patterns, but that seems to be the most standard. So I've worked to the point where I want to now work my decrease. So we can see here I have a central stitch that I want it to be lined up on top of. So to do this, I'm going to slip the next two stitches together knitwise. The most important part here is that you slip them together. If you slip them separately or you slip them purlwise, it will not work and it won't be neat at all. So slip these two together knitwise. Then going to knit the next stitch. And I'm finally going to pass these two stitches together over that final stitch, and there we have it, a centered double decrease.